Museum.
It's filming.
Welcome to the Hawaii Keiki Museum. We're always building and coming up with the next exhibit. But this week, the kids were the ones building. Or I should say,
Looking good.
they were taking apart electronic toys.
That should be more than perfect. So that was, yeah, it's
Moment of truth. Nope.
wait for it. It might take a minute to suck up.
Oh, I think I might. I smell bubbles. Yeah, me too. It's not blowing anything though.
Feel air?
I don't feel air. I feel air.
You have to maybe squish it in because it doesn't want to quite fit.
Here. So there's a propeller down under, and then inside the case of the propeller is a bunch of gears that form up to here, and the wand blows.
All right, thank you all for coming and playing and taking apart these toys. This table is a mess. What else have you learned?
How to make a mess.
And the button then does what? I sort of heard it. Yeah, that's fine. That's right, so it sounds like it's no, to when you are thinking to any other button? It's 16, so I'm not. Okay. And what is that? Well, 15 were exactly. Well, I always like that. Cool. Thank you. And where were the speakers? You got speakers, right? Right. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, so this is a bubble machine, and what it does is it projects bubbles. So inside it, we found a red and a black line.
I haven't even finished my toy, but what I can share is, first when I got it, it wasn't working, so I had to put 4 AA batteries inside, and the sound is now working, but I need to take apart the whole body so I can see how the wheels work so I can fix it. But I never got there yet.
Okay. What were you working on instead?
Both.
And what was so special about your car? It had
I took it home.
two
It had 2 motors.
motors, 2 propellers. Does that make it go faster?
I took that one home.
Awesome. Hi.
Whoa, turn that off.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Mom.
Hello. Hi.
You do have a motor? No. Why are you clicking?
I want to see how loud I could do it.
It's ours.
Did it work or not when you started?
Nope.
And what is it supposed to do?
Just drive all around.
Using what?
Remote control.
And so what part was broken?
All of it.
Yeah, like every single probably the motors.
Did we test the motors?
Yes, like some just like that one. You guys
There were up and down.
Up and down, okay.
That's all.
And neither one worked? All right, and were there any buttons on the truck?
Yeah.
What happened when you push the button?
Nothing.
Lights light up.
Is it supposed to light? Is that what's supposed to happen? Okay. And then we tested the motors. We put the battery on the motors. What happened?
Nothing. Well, the wheels.
It did move, right. The motors are fine. The motors moved.
I made it out of hot glue and obstacle sticks.
And why did you make that kind of boat?
I don't know.
Where are you going to float your boat?
On the water table.
Cool.
That's where we're all gonna test it.
A train, and it had
Doesn't look like a train.
well, it was a train thing,
And what's with the cherry?
and this cherry was stuck inside of it,
And
and then when we were taking the screws out, which there were probably a billion of screws in it,
Show us how many is a billion.
that and some more,
There's a lot.
and there's
Any
still
different
some more.
sizes?
And then
Some of them are the same, some of them are different.
all the 3 chips went to the main chip, then all the code, all the flow charts went to the motherboard, and then there was a switch on top, so then when you switch it on, it worked. There's no
Yes.
speaker.
It's not a speaker.
That's the speaker.
That is the speaker.
How is that a speaker? Ah! Okay, now I get it. Never mind.
Back together again?
No.
We even broke the wires.
Off of what?
We ripped the wires out of the main chip.
Where is it?
And where's the motor?
It's over.
How big was the motor?
No motor.
There was no motor?
No.
We couldn't
How is that
find.
possible that
We
there's no motor?
didn't get into here yet. There's still one screw that is impossible to get up. There's no motor in here. Where's the motor?
Yeah, I just put them in the red bag.
There is no motor.
What happens when you have a lot of mess in front of you? Can you find all your parts?
Wasn't
I copy of his, kind of, but not with some thing that paddles. It's a motor boat but I haven't found the motor yet. I just put the battery on.
You little.
So that's all. Bye.
Mahalo, aloha, shaka.